What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing? We are breaking the origins. Good luck, everybody. And let's see who gets the Jags. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Green Bay Packers. Holy cow. Hevington. Okay, I put that over here on the break. Good luck. Okay. We have Jalen Hurts and Tylan Wallace, Baltimore. Brian Hick. Okay. We have Will Fuller out of 299 and Joe Burrow out of 99. We have James Robinson out of 99, Jaguars, for free. We have Des Fitzpatrick out of 25, Tennessee, Amy. We have out of 99, the man with the biggest neck in the NFL, Davis Mills, RPA. Houston should be Brad Kaywood. Nice one. We had a ginormous game. Tampa Bay, Tom Brady, Brad Kaywood, Aaron Donald, Rammies. Aaron Rodgers out of 299. Ezekiel Elliott out of 25. Washington out of 49, Dyami Brown, Jeremy. We have Nico Collins, Houston. Took forever for somebody to take Houston, dude. Brad. And redemption. Travis Etienne Jr., rookie, jumbo, jersey, autographs, Jaguars. The Jags. There we go. Hevington. Joe Burrow. Dwayne Eskridge, Seattle. Tre'Davious White out of 99, Bills. Myles Garrett out of 299, Brownies. Yes, it is, Greg. There's nothing we can do. I rebooted the computer. I rebooted the feed. I rebooted the modem. It's the internet around here. They're doing something to it. It does it every couple months. I need to put that on on like a loop. I'm trying to do the best I can. I mean, Tampa Bay, Chris Godwin out of 99. Chris Godwin out of 99. Yeah, it sucks. It's out of my hands. If I could just, it's out of my hands. 2-2 out of 25. Rammies. Carlo. A 2-2. Trey Sermon. San Francisco. Stavington. And then it's actually it's better now than it was. Last box. I'm probably going to reboot for eBay. It may work. I don't know. Nick Chubb. Nick Chubb. Big Ben. Ryan, I swear. Tomorrow, I believe we have a football mixer. I think it's not going to be Origins. It'll be a regular football mixer with all sorts of, all the new products, some old products, everything. We got Debo out of 79, San Francisco. And Travis Kelce out of 175, Kansas City. Jason. Out of 75, Najee for the Steelers. Craig Towers. Nice hit right there. Najee out of 75. We have Cornell Powell out of nothing. Kansas City. Jason Shrosky? Did I say it? Shrosky. And we got a Jet. Michael Carter. Non-numbered. That'll be a random to everybody in the serial, so everybody got a shot at it. I'll just put Michael right there. So we had Tutu, Nico, Des Fitzpatrick. We had Cornell, Trey Sermon, Davis Mills, and Travis Etienne. I'm going to do the giveaways, and the random will be last, like always. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1 weekly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Darian WS into the weekly. 2, 3, 4, 5. Brad and Justin into the lineup. Darren into the weekly. Okay. Who gets the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Brian with the Michael Carter. All right. That is the break, y'all. Congrats, everybody. Thank y'all for joining tonight. Tomorrow we're going to have a football mixer. It'll be different products. It's probably going to have a little bit of pretty much everything that's come out. Thank y'all. Appreciate everybody. Catch you up.